The upcoming twist in Ishq Junooni takes a devastating emotional turn where love, obsession, betrayal, and revenge collide in a storm that no one can control. Everything begins with a truth that shatters Tejasvi's entire world. The man she gave her heart to, the man she believed would always stand by her, Guru, has chosen Ruhani over her. For Tejasvi, this is not just rejection. It is betrayal. It is humiliation. It is the destruction of everything she believed in. Her emotions collapse instantly. But what breaks her even more is not just losing Guru, it is the realization that she was never truly chosen. In her mind, Tejasvi has always believed one thing deeply: whatever she desires, she can never lose. Whether it is love or power, she believes it always becomes hers. But this time, reality refuses to obey her belief. Slowly, her heartbreak transforms into anger. That anger grows into frustration. And that frustration turns into something far more dangerous: an uncontrollable emotional storm. Tejasvi begins to lose herself completely. Her pain reaches a breaking point where she can no longer differentiate between love and destruction. In a moment of extreme emotional collapse, she harms herself, unable to bear the rejection any longer. The atmosphere instantly turns chaotic. Blood, panic, screams, and confusion fill the surroundings as Tejasvi begins to lose consciousness. Her strength fades, and life itself seems to slip away from her fragile state. Just when everything appears to end in tragedy, Gautam Singh arrives. And what he sees freezes him completely. His sister, his pride, his responsibility, his everything, is lying broken, injured, and fading away in front of his eyes. For a moment, Gautam Singh cannot move. Then reality hits him like fire. Teju, he screams, rushing forward. Open your eyes. Look at me. He holds her in his arms, trying desperately to keep her conscious. His voice shakes with fear, rage, and helplessness all at once. Tejasvi is not just his sister. She is the center of his world. And seeing her like this awakens something dangerous inside him. At the same time, Ruhani rushes forward. She immediately understands the seriousness of the situation and tries to help without wasting a second. She holds Tejasvi's hand and notices how much blood she has lost. We need a hospital right now. Call an ambulance immediately. Ruhani shouts in panic. But Gautam Singh is no longer in a state where logic can reach him. His emotions explode completely. In a sudden burst of rage, he pushes Ruhani away. No one will touch my sister, he roars. If needed, I will bring the entire hospital here, but no one is taking her away from me. His voice echoes like a warning of war. Within moments, he orders his men to take control of the area. Armed guards move in quickly, surrounding everyone. The situation transforms from panic into a full-blown confrontation. Guns are drawn. Tension rises. Fear spreads. Point your weapons at everyone. Gautam Singh commands. His men obey instantly, and the entire environment turns into a dangerous battlefield where one wrong move could lead to disaster. But destiny has another storm waiting. At that exact moment, Guru arrives. Seeing armed men threatening Ruhani and others, Guru's expression changes instantly. Without hesitation, he pulls out his weapon and points it directly at Gautam Singh. Who do you think you are? Guru shouts aggressively. Entering our home and threatening us like this? Babbar. Sikandar. Get ready. Immediately, his men also raise their weapons. Now both sides are standing face to face, fully armed, ready to explode at any second. The air becomes heavy, silent, deadly. A single breath feels like it could trigger a war. Gautam Singh steps forward, his eyes burning with rage. You think guns scare me? I am Gautam Singh. I don't fear death. Guru smirks coldly. You don't understand where you are standing. This is not your world. The confrontation grows even more intense. But amidst this chaos, Rouhani once again steps forward, desperate to stop the bloodshed. She is still focused on saving Tejasvi, who is slipping away slowly. Stop this madness, she cries. If you don't take her to a doctor right now, she will die. Her words hit like thunder. For a brief moment, everything freezes. That moment is enough to shift the direction of events. Tejasvi is finally rushed inside for emergency treatment. Rouhani begins immediate first aid, fighting against time to stabilize her condition while her life hangs by a thread. Outside, however, the war is not over. It is only waiting. Outside the room, Guru and Gautam Singh stand face to face once again. This time, there is no interruption, no escape, only truth. Guru speaks first, his voice heavy with dominance. I am Guru Chaudhary, the ruler of Sultanpur. People don't question me. They follow me. Gautam Singh stares at him coldly. I am not here to follow you. I am here for answers. His voice sharpens. Tell me the truth. Why did you try to marry my sister when you were already married? The question hangs in the air like a blade. A long silence follows. Even the walls feel the pressure of that question. Finally, Guru responds. Yes. I was married. But your sister came into my life on her own. I never forced anything. That single statement changes everything. Gautam Singh's anger erupts instantly. So you're saying my sister means nothing to you? His voice turns darker, deeper, more dangerous. I am not a weak man. I am steel. And every drop of her blood will be paid for. He steps closer. And I swear, you and everyone responsible will suffer for this. Guru's expression tightens, but he does not step back. The tension between them becomes unbearable. Just then, Nageshwar Chaudhary arrives with the family. His presence slightly lowers the intensity, but the fire is still burning in every heart. He looks at Guru with disappointment. What is happening here? This is not the way I raised you. Then, in a shocking moment, he reveals a truth that shakes everyone. There is no wife. What are you talking about? The world seems to stop. Gautam Singh is stunned. Then what was all this marriage drama? Guru steps forward slowly, his voice now filled with emotion rather than anger. This is not politics, this is love. He turns toward everyone and declares boldly, Tejasvi is not just a name in my life. She is my first and last love. No one can replace her. The statement hits like a shockwave. Even those who hate him are left speechless. Nageshwar Chaudhary is completely confused. First you were going to marry Suhasini, then Tejasvi. What is going on with you? The contradiction deepens the mystery further. Nothing makes sense anymore. Everything is tangled in emotion, lies, and hidden truth. Gautam Singh is still not satisfied. You played with my sister's emotions. And now you will face the consequences. He steps forward once more. Every tear she shed, I will make sure you regret it. The confrontation reaches its absolute peak. Two powerful men stand against each other. One broken girl fights for life inside a closed room. And a truth still buried beneath chaos, waiting to explode. Outside, love has turned into war. Inside, Tejasvi's life hangs between survival and death.